Python is a versatile programming language used for a variety of applications, from data analysis to web development. Its simplicity and readability make it accessible to beginners and professionals alike. In this video, we'll explore the different types of apps you can create with Python and why it's such a valuable tool for developers. Python is a staple in the field of data science. Data analysts and other professionals use it to perform complex statistical calculations, create data visualizations, and develop machine learning algorithms. Libraries like Keras and TensorFlow make it easier to write programs for data analysis and machine learning. Python's ability to create visualizations, such as line and bar graphs, pie charts, and 3D plots, makes it an essential tool for data scientists. Python is often used to develop the back-end of websites and applications, handling tasks that users don't see. It can send data to and from web servers, process data, communicate with databases, route URLs, and ensure security. Popular frameworks like Flask and Django support web development, making it easier for back-end engineers, full-stack engineers, and software developers to build robust applications. Python excels at automating repetitive tasks. Scripting allows you to write code that automates processes, such as detecting errors across multiple files, converting file formats, and performing simple math. Even relatively inexperienced programmers can use Python to automate straightforward tasks like renaming files and downloading web information, making it a powerful tool for increasing productivity. Python is invaluable in software development for tasks like build control, bug tracking, and testing. Tools like Green and Requestium help automate the testing of new features or products, ensuring that software is reliable and bug-free. Python's simplicity and efficiency make it an excellent choice for prototyping and testing software applications. Python isn't just for data scientists and programmers. It can simplify everyday tasks for non-programmers, such as journalists, small business owners, or social media marketers. Python can automate tasks like monitoring stock market prices, sending reminder texts, updating grocery lists, renaming large files, converting text files to spreadsheets, and even filling out online forms automatically. Python's popularity stems from its versatility and ease of use. Its simple syntax mimics natural language, making it easier to read and write. Python is beginner-friendly, open source, and supported by a vast array of libraries and modules. Its large, active community contributes to its growing library, providing resources and solutions for developers. Python's ability to handle various tasks, from web development to machine learning, makes it a go-to language for many professionals. Python's versatility and simplicity make it a powerful tool for creating a wide range of applications. Whether you're a data scientist, web developer, or someone looking to automate everyday tasks, Python has something to offer. Its extensive libraries, active community, and ease of use ensure that Python will remain a valuable resource for developers for years to come.